Hey as in goals, this is Becky, and today I'll be doing a mini haul of the stuff that my mom picked up for me at Michael's. She went to go get some stuff for my brother, and then she found this stuff and got some. And one of these things I'm going to be using in all my videos. But first off, I'm going to tell you that this video is filmed on March 20th, 2013, and um, on March 21st, the next day I have a track meet at Saguaro High School. So, yeah, I have a track meet, and if you move on from there, you get to go to city and compete. And if you go to city, then you go to state, and if you go to state, then you go. So, yeah. So I hope I do good. Alright, so now begin. I'm going to go from small to big. I'm starting off with this Monster High Creeperific Jumbo Eraser. You can get it at, well, all this stuff is at Michael's. You can get it at Michael's for 49 cents. It was on sale. And then you can just look at it. It has way too dolls in the regular Goya, because it didn't make a way too Goya. And it's a huge eraser, about the size of my hand. My hand's bigger. Then I have these. My best friend actually used these as invitations to a party. Remember? So here's the delicious sticker sheet and note card set. 8 note cards and 8 envelopes. And the styles. Remember, that's the one I got. This is the one that I got, my friend. I can't remember if you got it. And this was $1, but it was 49 cents now. And then here's the biggest thing. Wookiee Warrior 23 has it. So I'm going to give you a chance to guess what it is. Remember, Wookiee Warrior 23 has it, and they use it in their videos. Think about it. Put in the comments what you think it was going to be. So I'll show it to you. Okay? It is the Fantastic Hanging Dry Erase Board with a marker. It was at Michael's for my mom got it. It was $2, but now it's on clearance for 99 cents. And on the side it shows Frankie, the way to Frankie, Dracula, Cleo, and on the side it has the regular Goya, way to Claudine and Laguna. That says Monster High up here, and you can hang it on the door handle. It comes with that, and I'm going to use this for shout-outs, okay? I'm going to use this for shout-outs at the end of the video. So, I want to thank my mom and my brother. My brother was actually the one that found these. My mom bought them though, so thanks to both of them. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave nice comments. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to give a shout-out to Yay Summer. Wait, yeah, Yay Summer. And there was another one that I wanted to give a shout out to. Not a cat, NAC or not. Not a cat, NAC. NAC stands for not. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.